Hey everyone, Verizon mobile data not working, don't stress. I have got a quick and easy fixes to get your connection back up. Let's jump in. Check for data settings, refresh network connection, try with different network mode, restart your phone and check for any Verizon network outages in your area. If the issue persists, reset your device's network settings and ensure you have a strong cellular signal to restore mobile data connectivity. Finally, check for balance and consider updating APN settings. Why Verizon mobile or cellular data not working? Mobile data is turned off or the data settings are incorrect network mode selected, causing poor or no data signal. Verizon network outages in your area are affecting service. Weak cellular signal due to location or interference, insufficient account balance or data limit reached, outdated or wrong APN settings, preventing data connection. Fix 1. Check airplane mode and data settings. Turn on or off airplane mode to refresh the network connection. After you have restarted the device, you will be connected to the new strong network connection. Swipe down the quick settings, turn on airplane mode, wait for 2 seconds and turn off airplane mode, then tap on mobile data to turn on it. Fix 2. Change network mode. Changing the network mode on a mobile device can help optimize connectivity and resolve issues related to signal strength and data performance. Changing network mode on Android. Open settings, look for network and internet or connections, then go to mobile network. Tap on network mode. If you have a dual SIM, you can choose the network mode for each SIM card. From the drop down menu, select the network mode you want, example 2G, 3G, 4G, or 5G, and it will be set automatically. Changing network mode on iOS, open settings, then go to cellular data option or mobile data option. Choose voice and data to see your network options. Select from available options like 4G, 5G on or 5G auto depending on your device's capabilities. Coverage area. If you are in a low coverage area or your phone have less than 3 signal bars, you might face data issue. Confirm you are in a coverage area. Enter your location in search bar and check for coverage status. If you have a good coverage, try moving to different location and check for enough signal bars in your phone, more than 3 bars. Fix 4. Reset network settings. Resetting network settings can resolve data network issues by restoring all network related configuration to their default state. To reset network settings on iOS, open the settings app, go to general, select transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset and then choose reset network settings, enter your passcode to confirm. For Android, access the settings app, navigate to system or general management, select reset option and then tap reset network settings, confirm the action to complete the reset. Fix 5. Check APN details. Changing APN settings can resolve data issues because they dictate how your mobile device connects to the internet and communicate with your carrier's network. For iOS devices, open settings, go to cellular data options or mobile data network and APN details APN Win Internet MMSC HTTP mms.vtex.com /mms and MMS port 80, leave the remaining fields empty. Exit the settings, changes are saved automatically. For Android devices, open settings, go to network and internet or connections, mobile data network access point name, plus icon to add a new APN. Enter APN details, name Verizon APN, Win Internet, MMSC HTTP mms.vtex.com servlet/mms and mms port 80. Leave the remaining fields empty, tap save to confirm the new APN settings. Fix 6. Check Verizon balance. If your balance is low or depleted, it could explain connectivity issues, prompting you to either purchase more data or adjust your plan accordingly. To check your Verizon balance dial, balance, hatch 225 on your Verizon phone and press the call button, listen for the automated voice response, then hang up. Alternatively, log into the My Verizon Aura app where your balance will be displayed on the account overview page under usage details. If needed, recharge now or add data add on to continue the service. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.